Good morning. I'm Bob Friedman of Friedman Ranzenhofer Attorneys. Welcome to the November 23rd, 2020 edition of the Legal Survival Channel, today's legal news you can use. Donna Olson of New York used Johnson & Johnson's baby powder in shower to shower every day for more than 50 years. This asbestos-containing talcum powder caused her to develop mesothelioma. She lost a lung as a result and now requires 24-hour care from her husband, Robert. Both Donna and Robert suffered profound emotional pain and anxiety. The jury awarded $300 million in punitive damages and $25 million in compensatory damages in their claims of failure to warn and defective design. Johnson & Johnson made a motion to set aside the verdict. The order of November 11, 2020, from Manhattan, New York Supreme Court Justice Gerald Leibovitz found that the verdict was excessive. Although the jury had plenty of evidence to rule against Johnson & Johnson on the issue of liability, the original award of $300 million in punitive damages violated its due process rights. The judge reduced the punitive damages to $105 million and compensatory damages from $25 million to $15 million for past and future pain and suffering, as well as lost companionship for Robert. The judge ruled that the evidence presented at trial supported the jury's finding that Johnson & Johnson was responsible for Donna Olson's illness. The court noted that Johnson & Johnson was put on notice as early as the 1950s that its baby powder and the Italian talc from which it was produced contained small but significant amounts of asbestos that could be harmful if inhaled. There was also sufficient evidence that Johnson & Johnson sought to control scientific research into asbestos and talc, and that it slanted information that it provided to the FDA in the 1970s. If you believe that your cancer or mesothelioma diagnosis is related to use of talcum baby powder, regardless of the brand, you may have a case. To proceed with a lawsuit, you will need a good lawyer who understands product liability laws, has access to the experts and witnesses you need to make a case, and prove that your medical condition is related to baby powder use. Can help you get justice from the harm caused to you and prevent harm to other people in the future. For a free consultation, contact experienced New York product liability attorneys Friedman Ranzenhofer PC 7 days a week at 716-542-5444.